Today we'll talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your OfferUp. So all you have to do, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just go down here. So you keep going down here. Then you just click here on apps. Then come to next step here, and here can you looking for apps here in this list, or just click on search and add app here over app. So then you click on it. So then you come to this list here. Then you just click here on force stop, click on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage. Then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just go to your Play Store. You click on Play Store. So then you search here for OfferUp. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Click on it, then it's going to fix with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.